Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I was looking for a bag that I could easily just throw some quick items that we needed for some of our day trips. And this bag from SKYSPER has been absolutely amazing for me. I really was looking for something that I could take if we wanted to go take a hike at the park or go to the zoo or just to kind of be out and about, but I could have the essentials with me and not carry it in something too bulky. This bag was designed so well. From the extremely durable fabric to the light weight of the bag itself to the variety of compartments for storage, this bag has everything that a mom like me needed. I also love all of the little storage spaces in this bag. It has, of course, the main compartment as well as a little kangaroo pocket, but it also has a vertical and horizontal zipper pocket on the front side, which is perfect for some smaller items. A top requirement when I was looking for a bag was that it would have a spot for a water bottle, and this one has two. I love how comfortable this bag is too. The back padding is extremely flexible, breathable, and padded, so it fits comfortably against my back when I'm wearing it. The main strap itself also has some really cool features on it too. First, of course, the cell phone pocket. What I loved about this is it looks small and I was like, oh no, my phone's not gonna fit in here. But it has an awesome little mesh extender, which allows my phone to fit in here perfectly and also nice and snug. This bag is compact, but it has amazing storage capacity too. I love that it's small, but I can fit everything we need whenever we take our day trips. This sling bag from SKYSPER is durable, compact, and everything that this mom on the go needed to have. And that's just my point of view.